Understanding Emergency Ladder, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term emergency ladder. This is a phrase you might encounter in safety instructions, movies, or even in day-to-day conversations about buildings and safety equipment. Understanding this term can be very important, especially in emergency situations. So, let's dive in and find out what an emergency ladder is and how it's used. An emergency ladder is a special kind of ladder that is used specifically during emergency situations. Unlike regular ladders, an emergency ladder is designed for rapid and safe evacuation from buildings, especially from higher floors. These ladders are usually stored in a compact form and are deployed only when needed. They are a crucial part of safety equipment in many buildings, ensuring that people have a means of escape in case the primary exits are inaccessible. There are different types of emergency ladders, each suitable for specific situations and building types. Let's look at a few. 1. Rope ladders, often used in residential buildings. These are light, easy to deploy, and can be hung from windows or balconies. 2. Chain ladders. More durable than rope ladders, chain ladders are often found in industrial settings. 3. Permanent fire escapes. These are fixed structures attached to the outside of buildings, providing a direct, stable path to the ground. Understanding the type of emergency ladder available in your building can be vital in an emergency. Emergency ladders should be used when normal exit routes are blocked or unsafe, such as during a fire. Here are some tips on using an emergency ladder. Ensure the ladder is secure. Before descending, make sure the ladder is properly attached and stable. Descend carefully. Always face the ladder, moving slowly and carefully to avoid slipping. Avoid overcrowding. Ensure only one person is on the ladder at a time to prevent accidents. Remember, the primary goal is to descend safely and quickly. Just having an emergency ladder is not enough. Regular drills and maintenance are crucial. Regular drills. These ensure that everyone knows how to use the ladder and can evacuate the building quickly and safely. Maintenance checks. Regular checks are necessary to ensure that the emergency ladder is always in good working condition. Thank you for joining me today to learn about emergency ladders. Remember, understanding how to use these ladders can be crucial during an emergency. It's not just about knowing what they are, but also about being prepared and practicing safe evacuation procedures. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.